Robo-Rembrandt in the classroom? Exploring the impact of AI on art education. Imagine art class where students collaborate with AI, exploring new creative frontiers previously unimaginable. This isn't science fiction, it's the rapidly approaching reality of AI in art education. But will AI be a helpful assistant or a creativity-crushing robot overlord? Let's dive in. Traditional art education, a human touch. Traditional art education focuses on developing several key skills. Technical skills, mastering techniques like drawing, painting, sculpting, and other artistic mediums. Creative thinking, developing imagination, problem-solving skills, and the ability to generate original ideas. Art history and appreciation, understanding the historical and cultural context of art and developing critical thinking skills. Self-expression and communication, using art as a means of expressing emotions, ideas, and experiences. AI's potential role, a digital assistant. AI can potentially enhance each of these areas in several ways. Personalized learning. AI can analyze student work and provide personalized feedback and exercises tailored to their individual needs and learning styles. Imagine an AI that can identify a student's struggle with perspective and offer targeted tutorials. Exploring new mediums. AI tools can introduce students to new digital art forms, such as generative art, AI-assisted design, and virtual reality art experiences. Automating repetitive tasks. AI can automate tedious tasks like color mixing or background creation, freeing up students to focus on more creative aspects of their work. Access to vast resources. AI can provide students with access to vast databases of images, artwork, and historical information, facilitating research and inspiration. Potential benefits. Unleashing creativity and innovation. The integration of AI in art education offers several potential benefits. Increased engagement. AI tools can make learning more interactive and engaging, particularly for students who are digitally inclined. Enhanced creativity. AI can act as a creative partner, helping students explore new ideas and push the boundaries of their artistic expression. Democratization of art. AI tools can make art education more accessible to students with disabilities or limited access to traditional resources. Preparation for the future. As AI becomes increasingly prevalent in the art world, it's essential for students to develop skills in using these tools. Potential risks. The dark side of the brush. However, there are also potential risks to consider. Over-reliance on technology. Over-dependence on AI tools could hinder the development of fundamental artistic skills and critical thinking. Loss of human connection. The human interaction between teachers and students is crucial in art education. Over-reliance on AI could diminish this important aspect. Bias in AI algorithms. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data is biased, it can perpetuate existing inequalities in the art world. Ethical concerns about authorship. The use of AI in art raises questions about authorship and originality, which need to be addressed in an educational context. Finding the right balance. A collaborative approach. The key to successfully integrating AI in art education lies in finding the right balance. AI should be seen as a tool to augment human creativity, not replace it. Teachers should play a crucial role in guiding students, fostering critical thinking, and ensuring that the human element remains at the heart of art education. The future of art education, a creative collaboration. The future of art education is likely to be a blend of traditional methods and AI-powered tools. By embracing the potential of AI while mitigating its risks, we can create a more engaging, inclusive, and innovative learning experience for all students. It's not about replacing the artist's hand with a robot's, but about empowering artists with new possibilities.